In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the import-export images as planes add-on in your software. This is a handy tool if you're looking to streamline your workflow when dealing with images in your projects. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to get this set up. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Edit menu, which you'll find at the top of your screen. This menu holds many key options that we utilize frequently for customizing our settings and preferences. Hover over Edit and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Preferences. This action will open a new window where you can adjust various settings to better suit your needs. Once you've opened the Preferences window, you'll notice several tabs running along the top. Find the tab labeled Add-ons and click on it. This section allows you to view all the additional tools you can integrate into your software to enhance its functionality. It's a crucial section for tailoring your software experience. Now focus your attention to the search bar located within the Add-ons section. This feature simplifies the process of finding specific add-ons among numerous options available. Click inside the search bar and type the word image. This query narrows your list down, displaying only add-ons related to image functionalities. After the search results appear, look for the add-on titled Import-Export Images as Planes. This tool will let you import images as flat planes, making it easier to work with them in a three-dimensional space. Once identified, you will see a checkbox located next to this add-on. Click the checkbox to enable it. This action activates the functionality within your application, allowing you to seamlessly import and export images as you need. Next, it's important to save your preferences so these changes take effect permanently. If there is a Save Preferences button visible, be sure to click it. If not, simply closing the Preferences window will usually save your settings automatically, but make sure to double-check that the add-on remains enabled the next time you launch the application. And just like that, you've successfully enabled the Import-Export Images as Planes add-on. With this add-on now active, you'll find your projects with image components run more smoothly, providing you with more time and flexibility to focus on the creative aspects of your work. If you encounter any issues or need to disable the add-on at any point, you can always revisit the same steps and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that helps you get the most out of your software tools. See you in the next video.